All right. Welcome back, everybody, to the Deep Dive. We've got a really fascinating partnership to unpack today involving ArcBlock.
Yeah.
ArcBlock, for those who don't know, specializes in blockchain tech, decentralized identity, dApps, all that good stuff.
Absolutely.
But here's the kicker. They've also been doing some really interesting work with no-code AI app development.
And that's actually...
And this is where this partnership comes in, because they just joined the Google Cloud Partner Network.
That's right.
So this means that their tools are now available to a huge audience of developers and creators using Google Cloud's infrastructure. And this includes access to the latest from Google's Gemini AI models.
I think this is a really, really interesting development for a couple of reasons. One is just the sheer reach that this now gives ArcBlock, but it's also really about kind of this move towards making this technology more accessible to a wider audience.
I mean, to that point, you know, it's interesting. They were previously selected for the Google for Startups Cloud program.
Right. Exactly.
So clearly they've
been on Google's radar for a while.
On Google's radar.
This really feels like
This is the next level up.
The next level up.
For sure.
Absolutely.
I mean, even the quotes from the announcement, like Matt McKinney over at ArcBlock, really highlighting that excitement about empowering creators, accelerating AI.
Accelerating the AI transformation journey.
Exactly. And Rodrigo Rocha from Google Cloud echoing that sentiment.
Absolutely.
I mean, I think this really speaks to a larger trend that we're seeing in the industry.
Yeah.
And it's this
idea
of democratizing access to these app
platforms, to
these very powerful technologies.
And I mean, we got to talk about ArcBlock's no-code AI app engine.
Oh, absolutely.
This is fascinating. This is where things get really, really interesting because, I mean,
it's mind-blowing.
You're talking about building sophisticated AI applications.
Okay.
Without writing a single line of code.
Without needing to know how to code.
I mean, it opens up a whole world of possibilities.
For who? Like, who benefits from this?
Everyone, potentially. But I think especially smaller businesses, and individuals, entrepreneurs,
Give me an example.
Who maybe don't have those coding skills.
Yeah, like a real world.
But who have these great ideas.
A real world example, So
imagine you're a small business owner.
Okay.
You run a bakery, right?
I love bakeries.
And you're constantly bombarded with customer service inquiries.
Yeah.
Through your website, through social media.
Makes sense.
Now, with this no-code AI app engine, you could create a custom AI agent that can handle those chats, those basic inquiries, freeing you up to focus on the baking, right?
So I can focus on
the core of your business, on
the deliciousness,
croissants,
then the croissants and the
delicious croissants.
Right.
Yeah.
So you're taking away that sort of day-to-day.
The mundane tasks, right?
All right.
And letting you focus on what really matters. And it's not just customer service. You could think about marketing teams effortlessly generating high-quality content.
Right.
Tailored to different audiences, all powered by AI.
Or even like scientists collaborating on research.
Exactly.
Using these secure, decentralized tools.
Absolutely.
Built on ArcBlock's platform.
And because it's all built on this decentralized platform, you have that added security and added transparency.
This is where the key benefits that we see in the source material really come into play, because we're talking about faster deployment.
Absolutely.
Simplified AI development. Access to a whole ecosystem of resources.
And the latest Gemini models.
Right
at your fingertips.
Right.
I mean, this is really a game changer, I think.
It's leveling the playing field in a way.
Yeah, absolutely.
But with all this talk about potential, are there any concerns, right?
Way worse, of course.
It's powerful technology.
Right.
Do we need to be thinking about
responsible development?
Ethical use of AI?
Absolutely. Data privacy.
These
are all critical considerations.
Right.
Yeah.
I mean, it's exciting.
Absolutely.
But it's also something that we need to approach with caution.
We need to be mindful of the potential downsides as well. But I think, if we can navigate those challenges,
what are we going to see?
I think the possibilities are limitless.
What kind of innovations are we going to see?
I think we're going to see a wave of creativity and innovation in the dApp and AI space in the coming years.
That's what's really fascinating to me, is like what are those applications going to be?
Yeah.
You know, the things that we can't even think of right now.
Exactly.
I think that's really exciting.
Yeah, this is just the beginning.
So for anyone listening who wants to kind of explore this further,
I highly recommend it.
check out www.anye.io or the ArcBlock partner page on Google Cloud.
ArcBlock partner page.
Get a sense of
on Google Cloud.
What they're doing, what they're building.
Absolutely.
I think it's really, really fascinating stuff.
And this partnership is just going to accelerate that even further.
We're just at the beginning. That's what's exciting.
Yeah.
Thanks so much for diving deep with us.
It's been a pleasure.
And we'll see you next time.
See you later.
On the Deep Dive.
Bye.